Should I learn assembly language programming?
Assembly languages teach you a lot about how microcontrollers and computer components work. You'll learn about CPU pipelining, cache alignment, how instructions are reordered.
Learning how to use a software application for making spaghetti-like flowcharts to explain logic and instruction flow would be useful, both on the PC and in meetings.
You'll understand security holes like the Stack Overrun, so you can structure your code to fill in those gaps.
I could get an IT security certification and higher pay rate without learning assembly code.
If you understand the assembly language, it can help you debug the code if you don't have the source code, and be able to decode the ASM dump.
I'd rather install a different application on the device.
If you want to create software applications, you don't need to know assembly language. If you're programming an OS, you need to know assembly language, because your code is going to talk to the printer, speaker, screen, hard drive and other devices.
I thought it was just Microsoft's fault.
Compilers create assembly language code. If you will be writing a compiler's code, you need to know an assembly language.
I'm not planning on going into that niche. Maybe apps or games.
If you'll be creating games or graphics-heavy software, you may want to know assembly languages to control the audio and video devices.
Or I could involve a hardware designer.
We live in a world where programmers are assumed to be working with PCs, while everything around us is getting smart.
I knew about a lot of the smart grid mandates flowing down, saying we all have to get smart meters in our homes.
If you'll be working on real-time embedded systems, you need to know assembly languages. That is true whether programming scientific calculators, smart power meters or medical equipment.
But then no one will know what applications I've created if I list them on my resume.
But the device you program will literally be everywhere. And since few people know assembly language while these devices are proliferating, the pay is pretty good.